Sparrows Point Middle School. Today is Thursday, Jan 21st, and it is a B-Day. My name is Jillian.
And my name is Kiana. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may be seated. We have no birthdays today.
The weather today is 38 degrees and sunny.
Reminder, basketball tickets will go on sale today during lunch. Tickets for Thursday's game today should be purchased in advance. In addition, students must come with adults, and adults need to have tickets as well.
Our club will meet today.
The following students have overdue Black Eyed Susan books: Bethina P., Ashley R., Lacey H., Amanda B., Camden L., Ethan B., Kyle M., Kevin N., Jacob H., Patricia B., Trayshawn R., Joshua L., Lacey H., Michael S., Lex C., Natalia C., Christina Lynn E., Robert H., Karen P., James M., Abigail B., Gage W., Owen C., Austin M., Diego G., Mason P., Emily B., Daniel P., Riley C., Brady A., Noah J., Tyler H., Ethan D., Brooks B., Kyle M., Haley C., Tyler W., Nicholas P., Ethan M. If you have your book in your locker, please return it to the office now.
ASAP.
They are needed for project.
Now. The winter homework incentive is ongoing and will continue until February 4th. If you miss 2 or fewer homework assignments through all your classes, then you will be invited to watch a movie in the auditorium on February 5th. Good luck and hope to see you there.
The 2-hour late schedule. From 9:45 to 10 o'clock. What? Okay. From 10 o'clock to 10:10 is homeroom. From 10:10 to 10:40 is period 1. 10:40 to 11:05, period 2. 11:05 to 11:30 is period 3. 11:30 to 12, period 4. 12 to 1, period 5. Your lunches, okay. Lunches are normal. 1 to 1:50 is period 6. 1:50 to 2:36 is period 7.
And the quote of the day: there are people who always anticipating trouble, and in this way they manage to enjoy many sorrows that never really happened to them. Henry Wheeler Shaw.
Thanks for watching. I'm Jillian.
And I'm Kiana. Remember, have pride in all that you do.